Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care. The beautiful Akari Chumogi. Code JUQ405. Released on October 10, 2023. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her neighborhood guys. The couple was invited to a vacation trip. Apparently, her husband cannot join them because he's too busy at his work. So, when they arrived at the place, they had a celebration party. So, later that night, they had a couple of drinks. The girl got drunk, so the girl went inside the tent. However, the old guy followed the girl. While they are inside the tent, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.